So good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you uh, like this video, please leave a like and comment, and please do subscribe because it helps, really helps a lot, and I really appreciate all the support you guys been giving me for this my for this my for this for my new channel, and I hope you always subscribe and support my new video. So now I'm here at the back of the trees, and I'm just enjoying the nature, and the sounds of the bird are gone. And so I hope you are having a great day today, and I hope you're doing okay and alright. So please comment down below what are you doing today, and how are you today. So please leave a mark there in the comment section below for us to interact with each other. So in my video today, I'm just sharing with you the great view of the trees, and I hope you're enjoying it. And so um it's been a uh today this week is by the way this week is uh will be the campaign period here in the Philippines, especially for the local candidates. And the campaign period will start at um, March 28th, by Friday. So Friday is the start of the campaign period. So I hope, most especially to those kababayans out there, and to my fellow Filipino citizen, I hope that you will not be affected by the news, and what the mainstream or other social media platform will not affect your decision to vote. Who do you want, and who do you think will lead and will guide our country in uh, the best the best way that they can, and in the benefit of the Filipino people, most especially those who are considered to be in the um, marginalized sector, and those who are those who belong in the poorest of the poor category. So I'm not campaigning for any national candidate, any national party list. I'm just encouraging and motivating you guys that the Philippines still has a hope, even though there are negative campaigning and the negative news about the politics and political conflict between two parties. I know that you know that already. I'm not here to specify it, and uh, your vote is your vote is uh, highly needed, and you should exercise your right to vote for the candidate whom you think that will somehow uh, make a change in our country, will lead for a change in a better country here in the Philippines. So that's all for today's video, and I hope that you always support my personal blog. And my blog is really not, I don't have a specific content for now, but my August analysis channel is about uh, August it's about basketball analysis, and my Il Historiador channel is about history. So you can support those channel, and for me to make more content. I'm not asking you for money or anything else. I'm just asking you for subscription. Subscription is free here in YouTube. So that's it. I hope you support more of my video. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.